Carnage here. I was just at Best Buy, and they had the packs of cards for $3 a pack, or was it two? I think it was either three or two. So I grabbed what they had. They only had 4 packs left, and got 4 Sun and Moons. And also, I was at Target, and I picked up the Pokemon Treasures. And we're going to do all this in one video, so it's going to be a little long. Alright, let's get to our first pack. And here's your code. One, two, three. Leo, a Stuffle, a Wingull, a Dratini, a Lillipup, and I did it wrong again. We got a Poliwhirl, reverse. We got a big
Mazzolata,
a Steenie,
Decidueye.
Oh, apparently my sister's helping. And an energy card. We'll just
You aren't saying them right.
Get that Poliwhirl. We'll just put them up here.
He's shiny.
And I want to give a shout out to Bearded Pikachu for joining, and I want to say thank you, and we should catch up and try to do an unboxing. So I'm not going to do the card trick until I get it right. Alright, here's your code. 2, 3. I think that's the...
Just shuffle them there.
Energy card. Red energy, pink fairy energy. Let's see.
Marini.
A Marini. A Crab Brawler, a Growlithe, a Sunskirt, Fomantis,
Ooh,
a
shiny.
Diglett,
Shiny.
Glow and Diglett, Hollow Rare, a Lantern, a Corsola, a Repel, and
Pelipper.
Not a big fan of those.
They're like
Everywhere I
Pelipper.
go, they're just there. Alrighty.
I don't like gumshoes and
Here's your code. And again, I'll put, if the codes go fast, I'll put them in the description. We got Caterpie, Skarmory, Molal, a Chinchou, a Cutiefly, a Turnbeak, a Rainbow Energy. That's pretty cool.
Torracat.
Yeah, Torracat.
Another
A Reverse Lily. Ooh, and a GX Espeon.
That's nice.
Yeah.
What's the card that you put down?
Oh, and that would be an Electric Energy. And here's our last pack before we get into the cards. And it just does not want to open. Here's your number. 1, 2, oops. There's the 4. And that is water energy. We got Meowth,
Jupiter,
another Diglett, regular, sorry, basic, a Marine, a Crab Brawler, Romdex, another Rainbow Energy. We got a Charjabug,
Cosmolog,
we got a Cosmog,
Nebby,
and we got a Rookish. This thing just throws me off. I'm not a big fan of the fish. And we're just going to put these to the side.
You forgot Cosmolog.
And of course my sister is helping me. My wife's filming. And my daughter is in the room. Put those right there. And now on to treasure chest, which I
Partially open.
yeah, I had to partially open it. I'll put plastic, all the garbage away from the table. Let's see what we got in here. It's pretty cool. As the two main, and then on the back you got Litten, Populo,
And roll it.
and Roulette. Oh wow! Look how cool that little coin is.
Aww.
And then we got Populo, Litten, and Rowlet. Hollows. Let's put that over there. And we got a Sun and Moon. And then we got Steam Siege. And Fates Collide. And oh, look at this. We got some pencils.
I want the pencils.
My wife wants the pencils. And well, Maggie will go crazy for these, but I think we'll just give them to her aunt because they'll either go on the windows. And oh, another thing my wife's going to call. It has a notebook.
Yep.
And it has all three of the starters. And oh, look at that. It has a little binder for the cards. I might just put this away from Maggie, or we hit about 50 subscribers and I'll do a drawing and just leave a comment, subscribe, like the video, and you guys can have a nice little card holder. And we're gonna put this aside because I promised this to my little sister. But let's look at these stickers. These stickers are really cool. Like I said, my daughter would have these on the windows, the TV, you name it. And the little notepad. That's really cool. My wife called that. Maybe she'll split the pencils with my sister.
Okay.
Because there's 4 of them. Alrighty. Now let's get down to it. Let's see. We'll keep the Fates Collide for last, and we'll just jump right into Steam Siege. I love the Steam Siege cards.
If you look at the cards, you can notice in the background there's like little bubbles and stuff.
Let's see. Ah, green card. Which means we're not going to have a really good pull out of it, but maybe you have better luck with the numbers online.
I'll get the books.
Alrighty. We got a Hoppit, a Litwick, a Meowth, Ponyta, Rufflet, and my dogs are coming in to say hello. A Special Charge, a Nino Reno, a Zealous, I can't pronounce that one. We got a Hollow Rare Clotzer, and a Toxic Croak. Oh, Toxic Croak's pretty cool. I like Toxic Croak. So, like I always say, I mean, to me, I'm just happy getting them, and eventually my daughter's going to love the collection, so, I mean, it's just about collecting. Oh, another green one. Here you go. Another one of my favorites, Fletchling, a Yanma, a Meryl, a Sneasel,
Those are evil.
Leo, a Azumarill, Ninja Boy, Skiploom, ooh, a Chimchar Hollow Rare, and a Spirit Rare. Oh yeah, we're doing Fates Collide last. We got Sun and Moon right here. White card, so we're probably going to have a good pull out of this. Hopefully I did that right. Let's see. A Poplio.
Told you got her more?
Yeah, I guess. Haven't seen one of them yet, actually.
I have. They're at the electricity plant.
Shelder.
Makotohita?
Yeah, Makotohita. A Firo. That's actually pretty cool looking for a basic. A Granbull. A Metapod. Team Skull Grunt.
Yeah!
Ooh. Backwards, reverse. Picky Peck. And a GX. Decidueye. Nice.
I like this.
I think that's actually our first GX. I think we had one more in the prior packs, but I could be mistaken. Alrighty. Oh, and the energy was a fire. And here's our last Sun and Moon until we go to Fates Collide. I don't know, I've always liked the Fates Collide and the Steam Siege. That's just my opinion.
I like the shiny ones.
And we got another green card. The energy is a fairy energy. We got Chinchou, Murlow, Skarmory, Caterpie, Sandygas. It feels like I just opened this pack.
It does. Time
Ball, Pinsir, a Hollow Rare Caterpie,
Decidueye.
and another Decidueye Rare. Fates Collide, and another green one. So we got one deck that's like a really good pull out of the group. Let's see. Cottony, Seal, Whismer, Fennekin, Pokemon Fan Club, Wormadam, Zygrade, Solosis, and an Energy Rest Reverse Rare. And, oh wow, Rotom. I thought that this one had the energy. I guess I was wrong.
You expected energy, but it was me, Theo.
Oh, and there goes the cards.
Fuji was gonna eat it.
So, that's it for today. The next video, I'm probably either gonna do a Mystic Box, or maybe Ash's Frog Ninja. I'm not sure. Or I might just do something totally different. So, like I say, I'll see you all next time, and happy collecting.